Whenever you are, you're the boss.
All right, y'all have fun.
We are.
Like standing in the swing set, all right? Leave them straps in front of your shoulders.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. Y'all can let go while you're up there. As long as he harness you up right, you should be good. It's his first day.
Yeah, of course it is.
He wrecked a jet ski earlier, so I'm trying. He's working off the damage. Y'all ready?
This flotation device is fabulous. I love it. This is gorgeous. Look at the view. I'm not even looking at the GoPro. Look how quiet it is up here. Isn't this
Awesome.
is celestial.
Yeah, there you go. Look at how red your feet are. Did they get sunburned sitting in the boat? Oh, wow.
So peaceful. The experience, incredible. They're worried, but we're strapped in better than anything. We're picking up. We're going up, 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 and away. I have some friends in, where was it? The Caribbean. The rope snapped when they were up here.
Look, 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 look.
You see
Maybe
the...
not.
Might be a big whale. Yoga. Thanks to our friends at GoPro. Whee! Whee! Yoga. This feels good on my back. Who needs back therapy when you got... What is this we're doing? Parasailing. Feels celestial. And those of you who know what the word celestial means, eternal. Learn something new with Just Dennis. Whee! We want to definitely take them over by the bridge. Yoga time! Oh, I need an editor. Oh, a video editor. Would be phenomenal. We are 400 feet high in the sky on this beautiful yoga device that really feels good on my hurting back because my back needs stretching. So by falling back, it's phenomenal. Who needs to go to a massage? The American flag is waving at us. And look at how majestic that reef is. Oh, this is a good view. Lean forward. Highly recommend when you do this, you want to lean forward. We can see the full effect. I'm flying.
Just don't fall out.
That feeling of flying, there ain't nothing like it. I gotta say, I don't even know if you can hear this.
Easy out there.
Yeah. Yoga exercises with Dennis. Coming soon. We're gonna dip. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like from this angle. We're gonna go for a swim with the sharks.
What's up with the dolphins?
And the dolphins. They come save us. Oh, I'm smelling those fish. Because what they do is they put out guts and stuff, so it attracts them.
Yeah.
As we go for our dip. We didn't get got my foot up someone's rear. Oh, I don't know. Who got my foot up their rear? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll repent tomorrow. Okay. Here we go for more yoga. Okay. That works. You do whatever you have to for the shot. Here's for rough landings. We're gonna go with Sky High in Destin, Florida. Those are some bumpy waves. You liking this? Here we go. Up, thumbs down. Legs up, thumbs down. We got some rough seas. I love this. Only in Destin. Thank you to our friends for an awesome time. We love you, and I highly recommend you checking them out. We don't mind choppiness at all. Just check out our friends. I'll have their website in the description whenever I get around to editing this, and we'll make it happen.